Check out this Lexus 2016 GS 350. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include one-touch power trunk, multi-contour 18-way power front seats, leather steering wheel, intuitive park assist, IPA, Lexus Safety System Plus, eminent white pearl and flaxen leather trim seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.